Welcome back to the Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today I'm coming from Southwest Cape Coral, okay? And I have this beautiful new listing my wife just got that I want to show you. It's a very nice home. It's a 3 bedrooms, 2 bath with a pool, okay? So if you're already a past subscriber, you know how I start. I go outside first and then we move into the house, okay? So let's get started. This home, it's very, very nice decorated inside. It's very well taken care of. Over here on the side, they got a whole bunch of trash cans. I don't know why. It looks like the city gave them new ones. Here's your electrical panel, you know, electrical box that goes in, your infinity, your cable, AC. I can tell you that the roof was done, so it's a new roof. And check out the backyard. Even though you got a pool, you still have a very nice backyard. You can stand over here in the corner so you can visualize it. Okay. We'll go inside the pool. When we go inside the house, we'll go through the inside. So here you can see the outside. If you would like to know the price of this property and location and everything, just go on the link below and it'll take you directly to the MLS report so you can get more information, okay? So that will give you the price and the status. Very nice. Today's a beautiful day. The temperature is probably like 82 degrees and really windy and breezy. So I'm enjoying this nice sunshine. Here's the pool heater, pool pump. So this house is ready. It's turnkey. And if you're thinking about just coming from up north and buying a home that you just come and stay here, this is ready. Has comes almost with everything that you need. You could either live here or you could actually rent it out if you want. Let's move in. So you come in. This is the living room. Okay, and over there you go to the family room and the kitchen. So first let's go ahead and do this side first, the family room area. Okay, here's the family room. Here's the kitchen. Has a through window through the pool, so that's nice. So you could pass stuff from the kitchen to the pool area. Here's the family room. Over here you got your laundry room. If you notice, all this light switch have what the light are for. Over here is the garage, and I think it comes with everything that you see here. So it's ready for somebody just to come in and stay. You got your planter shelves on the top there. Got this nice slider that you can see the pool. And it has a very nice area for entertaining outside. Back there's the barbecue, and we'll be going out there shortly. Let me just finish showing you this family room here. We're going to the 2 bedrooms that are on the side here. Let me show you here so you can visualize the size. Okay, now let's move into the bedroom. So take a look. Let's call this bedroom number 1. Remember, this home is turnkey, so it's ready. Everything that you see here stays here. Over here you have a nice closet. Got extra pillows. So if you're looking for a property to come, and if you want to live here, nice. If you want to just have it as a winter home and have it rented throughout the year, this home is ready. Here's the bathroom. And here's room number 2. As you can see, the rooms are a nice size. So you could actually have 2 people sleeping here. You got a full-size bed over here. So it's okay. Let's move over to the kitchen. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances. And the nice thing about this kitchen is the view to the pool. See if I can adjust the lighting outside. There you go. The view to the pool. And then on the other side of the kitchen, you have your dining room. And you got 2 French doors that lead out to the pool. Okay, let's move around. See the nice living room. And the dining room. Okay, now let's head over to the master bedroom. It's a nice size master bedroom. Where there's your closet. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you like the colors. Tell me what you think about the furniture. Okay, and now we move over to the master bathroom here. Very nice decorated. And over here to my left, you got the toilet and the shower. Okay, and remember the location of this home is the southwest of Cape Coral. It's surrounded by really nice high-end expensive home because all the homes across the street, they're all in Gulf axis. So very nice area, has a whole bunch of palm trees when you're coming down the street. Very nice. So if you like this home, you'd like to know the price and more about it, feel free to go on the link below and you get the full report from the MLS. And if you have any questions, just feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. Just want to let you know that my wife and I have been selling real estate here in Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida for over 20 years. And if you're looking for a home, we'll be glad to try to find exactly what you're looking for. So feel free to contact us. And hope you enjoy this video. And if you would like to see more videos like this, feel free to hit the subscribe button. And oops, I forgot. one more thing, like Columbo says. The pool. Ah, here we go. Let's go outside. Okay, we're out in the pool area. Doesn't that water looks nice? I feel like jumping on it. Okay, so over here, you can see the whole area that is covered. So it has a very nice area that is covered that you can just hang out and the sun won't bother you there. And then you have the pool exposed to the sun here. That door that you see there, that heads to the master bathroom. So if in case you're here in the pool area and you want to take a shower, you could go right inside there through that door. Okay, here's the barbecue. And you know, it's very nice area here. This is where most of the people that comes from up north, you know, in Florida, this is the area they like the most, in the sense that this is where they hang out the most, because during the winter months it's not that hot. So you tend to open all the doors and you tend to hang outside. So most of the time people spend it outside. So it's nice that it has a very nice and wide area here for you to entertain and enjoy the outside. Okay, so now, finally, I'm sorry about that little error at the beginning that I showed you. I was thinking I had the whole house, but I didn't. And so now we're going to close out saying, remember, if you would like to know more about this home, go on the description below and you have a link there that will take you to the MLS. Also, if you have questions on this home or any homes you see out there you're thinking about buying, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. We would love to help you find that home that you're looking for. Okay? And if you're new to this channel, you would like to see more videos like this, feel free to hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.